True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today is 5th of March in Black River, St. Elizabeth. Giving an update in the Black River area. Yeah man, so you all let us cross the bridge with your tour guide, Fire Reid. Keep you all posted of different areas in Jamaica. Showing what go on mostly in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, mostly in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, see with the Hendrix Wharf, you know. Well, people still have packed them boat for go see. And the first time, right yesterday, at the soldier base, the soldier them camp out. First time I couldn't come as the first time, you know. Yeah man, so I saw the soldier base and thing. Yeah man, so big up on yourself when I watch from circle the place and show you where I go on. Yeah man, a Black River over there, Black River Town, St. Elizabeth. 5th of March, yeah man, today the 5th of March. So tell me if you see any changes happen. I say them kind of clean up the place, some place, make the place kind of look more, you know, like something will go on, and the tax office the same way. Most like every people have to go to Santa Cruz to do their business in Santa Cruz. So Santa Cruz is one of the towns that have the most traffic since lately in Santa Cruz. So we are Scotiabank area, so we are the bakery. Yeah, people still come out same way, sell them ground product and things same way. Supermarket, 1 or 2 supermarkets still open. Yeah man, a whole heap of work left to do a Black River to clean up. Whole heap of work. Come like they don't start it. All them building here, don't know what happened to them building here. Yeah man, see here some people that lit down the church. Yeah. Big up yourself, Chucky. Cause the market, see them clean up the market. Wow. Yeah, man. So the market area clean up and thing, you see it? Yeah, so the market is next to the fire station, guys. And one of them places I kind of clean up and things, see there? Yeah, man. So them are clean up the place. Yeah, man, the place look. Yeah, so you know, sooner or later, you know, so them have to come with a different building plan and thing, you know? Saintless pharmacy still up and running same way. See people come around here, so I do them vendoring. I get your grown product around here. Hey, you know, say Black River come like a one different place by earth right now. Let's turn over the Courthouse section here, you know. Last time we come down here, I clean out the courthouse, as in take out some farmer documents or so. So I don't know if they're fully clean out inside. Oh, only bad things left, man. Got show bikers, boy. Use the ride of the day. So guys, thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid.